Chaos. It's not just in the news or in our schedules, it's also in our minds. The noise, the rush, the worry, it can feel like a storm we didn't ask for. But what if you could find calm inside the storm, not by changing the world around you, but by changing something within? Almost 2,000 years ago, a Roman emperor named Marcus Aurelius faced chaos you and I can barely imagine. Plagues, wars, betrayals, and yet every night he wrote notes to himself, simple and powerful reminders on how to stay steady, clear and human in the middle of madness. Today it's one of the world's greatest guides to inner peace. He called it his Meditations. Today it's one of the world's greatest guides to inner peace. So let's explore how you can use his wisdom to find calm in your own chaos. Pillar number 1. Control what you can and let go of what you can't. Marcus wrote, "You have power over your mind, not over outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Think about what's bothering you right now. Is this something you can actually change? If yes, take one small step today. If not, your worry won't change anything. It would only drain you. So Marcus reminds us, the weather, the people's choices, yesterday's mistakes, these are not in our control. But our thoughts, our efforts, our attitude today, those belong to us. Pillar number 2. See obstacles as opportunities. It sounds strange, but Marcus thought the thing blocking your path is the past. He said, the obstacle in the past becomes the past. Within every obstacle is an opportunity to improve our condition. A difficult person can teach you patience. A failure can teach you what to try next. A stressful day can remind you to breathe. And instead of fighting what's hard, ask, what can this teach me? How can this make me stronger? Pillar number 3. Come back to the present moment. Our minds love to time travel, to regret the past or fear the future. Marcus knew this was where peace went to die. So he practiced returning again and again to the now. He wrote, "Do not disturb yourself by picturing your life as a whole. Deal with each moment as it comes. Your breath, the feeling of your feet on the floor, the task in front of you, just this one. When chaos feels too big, make your world small. Just this moment, just this time, just this breeze. This is where calm lives. Make your world small." Staying calm in chaos doesn't mean you don't feel it. It means you don't let the chaos inside. Marcus Aurelius built a fortress of mind, not with a stone but with 3 simple ideas. Control only what you can. See obstacles as teachers. And return to the present again and again. You won't stop the storm, but you can learn to stand in the rain without being swept away. Tonight or tomorrow morning, when noise finds you, try one of these tools. Whisper to yourself, "This is my training ground. This is where I grow. This is where my strength forges." Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more wisdom on one great mind at a time.